Good morning, children.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Stop making noise. Stop making noise. So, children, yesterday we were in this chapter number 2, revision. And in this chapter, we have discussed about nutrition, types of nutrition. Then, how does nutrition takes place in human? Then the different organs are taking part in digestive system, starting from mouth and buccal cavity, tongue. Today we will talk about the other organs in this digestive system. And what are these other organs?
Amoeba.
They are the whole digestive tract starts from, it is also there, but after the buccal cavity, the next one is your food pipe or esophagus. So this function of the pipe esophagus is just to masticated food to the stomach, muscular organ, thick walled, and it receives the chewed or semi-digested food and stores it. Food is stored in that stomach or bag-like structure, after which the food passes to the small intestine. But here, the inner lining of the stomach that has got that are capable of, which is capable of secreting gastric juice and which is having mucus, hydrochloric acid and enzymes present, which helps in the digestion of food particles, the digested food particles. They are
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clear.
Your voice is not
kills
clear.
bacteria and it helps digestion in stomach of proteins, cellular form or amino. This is also very important, children, that which particle or which type or which category of food is converted into. We talk about hydrochloric acid. And what is the utility of hydrochloric acid in our stomach? That is a harmful bacteria which is present inside our stomach by providing acidic medium is helpful in digestion of breaking down.
And voice is not clear.
Ma'am, your sound is not coming clearly.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
There was experiment. A person on June 6th, 1822, Alexis St. Martin. He accidentally got hole in his stomach or was shot in his stomach. That had a hole in his stomach. So just taking this opportunity, you can call it opportunity for the doctor, but not for the patient, because the doctor, but he was unable to do that. But so he made effort that how the digestive process in that course, he just watched that he can directly see the food particles through that what are the changes happening inside the stomach. So he recognized that accident might be an opportunity for him. The doctor decided, and in course of his experiment, he followed the whole process and watched the whole process which was going on inside the stomach. What did he experience? That every few hours, every particles which was there, and he stop making noise, children. The class is going on. He tied a piece of food with the help of a string, and he dipped it inside the stomach through the hole. And every few hours, Dr. Woodman would remove the food and observe how well it had been digested. Dr. Beaumont also extracted a sample of gastric acid from St. Martin's stomach for analysis, and he also used samples of this stomach acid to digest bits of food. This led to the importance of is primarily a chemical process and not a mechanical one. So in this, you can say it was just an instability of examining the food stuff which was there in the body of that patient, a person, that is Alexis Saint Martin. Now,
Saint Martin.
this the food is not completely digested in the stomach. It after there are
Ma'am, your voice is not hearable.
6 to 7 meters long, and it's
Ma'am, your
what are the
voice is not
secretions?
clear.
From the
Your
liver.
voice is not clear.
Yes, secretion from the liver. Then that liver, we know that it is the largest gland of the human body, and it is present slightly below the stomach and on the right side. It secretes bile juice, and it puts it into the small intestine. Then that is this bile juice is just stored in a bag-like structure which is known as gallbladder. Then it also plays a very important role in digestion of fat. Then secretion from pancreas, which is known as the pancreatic juice, and it is a leaf-like structure. It is a gland which is just below the stomach and secretes pancreatic juice. This juice acts on carbohydrate, proteins and fat, and breaks them into simpler forms. Then secretion from small intestine. The inner wall of the small intestine itself is juice, and this digests fat. So here, you can say glands are secreting very important juices which add to the digestion of the food or different particles of the food, different components of the food.
Ma'am, your
The
voice
small
is not
intestine uses bile juice, pancreatic juices to complete the process of digestion. I have opened it. Then The process of digestion in itself is completed by that carbohydrate are after digestion that gets converted into glucose. Glucose में बदल जाता है, ठीक है? Proteins are broken down into amino acid. Protein amino acid में बदल जाता है और fats are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol. Clear?
Glycerol.
So this is very important. Ki what is the conversion of this various component of our food into which type of component? So this you have to learn. You underline carbohydrates are digested and they get converted into sugar like glucose. Proteins are broken down into amino acids and fats are broken down into fatty acid and glycerol. Then one very important role is performed by the walls of the small intestine, which has got finger-like projections, which you can see on the diagram on page 22. ये आप देख सकते हो. This finger-like projection increases the surface area. Surface area को increase कर देता है, and the area becomes larger for absorption, and the absorbed food is passed to blood vessels present in the villi. The food that thus get transported to all parts of the body via blood, and it is used to इसको assimilation कहते हैं. छोटा लगता है but it is very big. वो बहुत बड़ा है as compared to the large intestine because it is coiled. Then comes the large intestine. Large intestine is wider. ये थोड़ा चौड़ा है and it is shorter. वो छोटा है. Then the small intestine. When we compare small intestine with large intestine, then we can see that although the name is large intestine, but lengthwise it is smaller. It is just about 1.5 meter in length. केवल 1.5 meter length का है. And undigested and unabsorbed food enters the large intestine. Here, the excess of water and some minerals are absorbed from the undigested food. The leftover waste part of food passes to the rectum and is stored there as facial matter. The feces are eliminated through the anus. This process is called egestion. So here, after absorption of the food, the residual matter gets removed from the body and that process is known as egestion. Now, here is one activity that we often eat chapatis or bread, and how does it break down into simpler form? That activity is there. It breaks down this food into simpler forms. It thus helps to provide energy through these nutrients and helps in the body, maintenance of the body and growth. So here is a flow sheet diagram. आपके book में एक flow sheet diagram है. You can fill up. इसको आप fill up कर सकते हो. What is there? In the first diagram क्या दिया हुआ है? Tell me.
The food goes into the buccal cavity.
The food goes, पहले तो food लिखोगे in front of the food, bread or sandwich लिख दोगे, or it is transferred to the buccal cavity where partial digestion goes on and the food passes to the stomach. The food passes to the stomach. उसके बाद क्या है? Then what will you write?
The stomach passes the food into the small intestine for the absorption and digestion of the food for utilization.
Various types of juices in the stomach.
Yes, you can use your own knowledge to explain this diagram. This is based on your knowledge. ये कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि line by line सबका similar होना चाहिए. But you have to express your own idea that what happens at this stage when the food goes in that part of your body. Clear? Then उसके बाद next क्या है?
Undigested and unabsorbed food passes into the large intestine and it absorbs the excess of minerals and water and then it passes to the rectum.
And they get break down into.
Okay. और ओमकार तुम अपने लैंग्वेज में बोलो.
The food get, ma'am, Anshu, ma'am.
Okay, Anshu बोलो.
The food gets mixed with it's like bile juice and the pancreatic juice in the small intestine, and they get break down into their similar components.
Start from the first diagram.
Yes, ma'am. The food, when the food gets into the buccal cavity, they get chewed, grind, and the partial digestion of food is going on. And in the food, when the food goes into the stomach, the food gets mixed with the various types of juices like bile juice and the pancreatic, like the hydrochloric acid, and etc. and other type of juices. When the food goes into the small intestine, the food gets mixed with bile juice and the pancreatic juice. And then the food and then the food goes into the rectum, where the undigested and unabsorbed food are eliminated through the process of digestion.
Okay. Anybody else who want to explain in their own word? अपने word में explain कर सकते हैं कोई भी?
Ma'am, Ayush Ratan.
Come forward. This is
Ma'am, I
a
will.
type of revision for the whole digestive system.
Ma'am, can I speak?
हाँ बोलो.
The
Tell your
food-
name.
Ma'am, Ayush Ratan. Ma'am, बोले. मैम पढ़े हैं.
हाँ पढ़ना नहीं है, बोलना एक्सप्लेन करना है. इस डायग्राम
ma'am,
को
वही
अपने
बोल-
लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेन करना है.
Yes, ma'am, वही.
हाँ बोलिए.
Firstly, the food passes into the buccal cavity for tearing and grinding of food, where the saliva, where tongue secreted saliva, which make food soft, and then it further digestion take place and it passes into the esophagus. Then esophagus passes the food into the stomach. In the stomach, the further digestion begins, like it has hydrochloric acid, which perform a role in digestion of food, and liver pancreas also secreted bile juice over here, and then it passes into the small intestine. In a small intestine, the
उसके बाद वो जाएगा स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में.
मैम
Not
वही
in
बोले.
the stomach. Liver और pancreas अपना जूस वहां नहीं दे रहे हैं. In the food passes to the small intestine. ऐसे बोलिए.
The food passes into the small intestine.
स्टमक में सारा चीज नहीं हो रहा है ना बेटा. स्टमक में केवल एंजाइम्स और हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड है जो
Yes, ma'am.
पार्शियल डाइजेशन कर रहा है, एंड देन द पार्शियली डाइजेस्टेड फूड गोज टू द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. अब बोलिए आप.
Yes, ma'am. The food then passes into the small intestine. Here the liver's bile juice and pancreatic juice play a role in a further digestion, and the small intestine absorb the food for utilizing and growth of the body. Then unabsorbed and undigested food get passed into the large intestine. From here, it absorbs some minerals and water from the unabsorbed food, and then it passes into the rectum and then to the anus. From here the unabsorbed and undigested food eliminated through the anus.
Okay, correct. Anybody else who can just summarize this part, activity 3? कोई और बोल सकता है इस पे in their own word? Anybody can come forward. कोई भी बोलो. It is just a verbal revision. That means you have not understood at all. You don't have confidence in speaking. Bolo, then only you will understand. Please come forward. Vivakar, Tilak, Sarika, nobody is interested? Okay. कुमार अंशु, वो तो आप
Ma'am,
बोले हो अभी.
यस मैम, मैम
बोलो.
गलती से हम हैंड रेज हो गया था.
अच्छा अच्छा. और कोई? आयुष रत्न,
मैम हम अभी अभी बोल चुके हैं.
कुशाग्र, आयुष रतन, do you want to speak?
मैम हम अभी अभी बोले हैं.
Please tell.
मैम हम अभी
अच्छा आप बोले हो. रोनित, Ronit has spoken just now.
मैम
No, ma'am.
आयुष
Okay, then
मैम
Tanu Singh.
मैम हम पढ़े थे
क्या
अभी.
आयुष?
मैम हम पढ़ चुके हैं.
हम दोनों नाम बोलोगे तब ना पता चलेगा. हम बोलते हो तो कैसे पता चलेगा?
मैम आयुष रतन पढ़ चुका है जो बोल रहे हैं.
अच्छा ठीक है. ओके. एनीबॉडी एल्स? कोई और? सारिका, सार्थक, शिवम, नेहा. That means you all are not interested at all, or you have not understood. कोई और ट्राई करो इसको. उमंग, तनु सिंह. What is this?
I am confused in the process between the small intestine and large intestine.
क्या? Who is speaking? एक बार और क्वेश्चन बोलिए.
The process between the small intestine and large intestine, I haven't understood.
Difference between small intestine and large intestine. First of all, when the food passes from the stomach, it goes to the small intestine. Small intestine is a larger area, although it is a coiled structure, but it is six small intestine itself. Other secretions from other organ like liver, pancreas and a small intestine, all the juices are poured in this small intestine, because the complete, almost complete digestion is carried out in the small intestine itself. And then the liver, that is your bile juice, then pancreatic juice, these all are poured on the intestinal juice. They all are poured in on the semi-digested food which is coming from the stomach. Then it is absorbed by the body, and then it is carried to the large intestine. अब वो large intestine में ready है जाने के लिए food particles. And what happens in the food particle? The food particle is a small, large intestine is a smaller structure as compared to small intestine lengthwise, but widthwise it is bigger, broader, and it is just 1.5 meter in length. And what is the function of the large intestine? To just collect the undigested and unabsorbed food and make it ready to be excreted from the body. और वो उसके बाद excrete होके छन के और चला जाता है anus में, where it is removed from the body in the form of facial matter. तो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन और लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में अगर डिफरेंस चाहते हो, डिफरेंस लिखना आ जाता है एग्जाम में, तो सबसे पहले लिखोगे उसके स्ट्रक्चरल डिफरेंस में कि स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन इज 6 to 7 meters long while large intestine is 1.5 meter long. Small intestine has got several associated gland which holds its secretion on the food particle for further digestion. And the digested food is projections present on the wall of the small intestine where the food the digested food is absorbed, and then it is left over, the leftover undigested food passes to the large intestine. Is it clear now? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए अब एक बच्चा इसको रीड कर लो थोड़ा, जो अभी हम टॉपिक पढ़ाए हैं, द फूड पाइप।
Ma'am, Kumar and Nishu, ma'am, can I?
The stomach is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It is a thick,
The stomach
walled,
is the widest
sac-like
part of the
muscular organ.
alimentary
It
canal.
receives
It is
food
a
from the
walled
esophagus,
sac-like
passes
muscular
into the
organ.
small
It receives
intestine.
food
The inner
from the
lining of the
esophagus,
stomach
passes
secretes
into the
gastric
small
juices which
intestine.
have
The inner
mucus,
lining of
hydrochloric
the
acid, and
stomach
enzymes
secretes
present in them.
gastric
Muscle
juice
protects the inner
which
lining of
have
the stomach.
mucus,
Hydrochloric acid
hydrochloric
kills
acid, and
bacteria.
enzymes
It
present
also
in them.
provides the acidic
Mucus
medium
provides
needed for the digestion of food by the enzymes in the stomach. The enzymes in the stomach break down proteins into simpler substances like amino acids. Do you know
Of this
stomach with a hole? On June 6, 1822, a person named Alexis St. Martin was accidentally shot in the stomach. Dr. Beaumont treated his
One
body
of
with 5
एक बच्चा चुप हो जाइए।
the enzymes in the stomach.
Sound
The
is
enzymes
mingling.
in the stomach break down proteins to simpler substances like amino acids. Do you know a stomach with a hole? On June 6, 1822, a person named Alexis St. Martin was accidentally shot in the stomach. Dr. Beaumont treated his wound. Despite his best efforts, Dr. Beaumont could not close the hole in his stomach that never fully healed. Dr. Beaumont recognized that he had in St. Martin the unique opportunity to observe digestive process. He began to perform experiments on digestion in the stomach of St. Martin. Most of these experiments were conducted by tying a piece of food to a string and inserting it through the hole into St. Martin's stomach. Every few hours, Dr. Beaumont would remove the food and observe how well it had been digested. Dr. Beaumont also extracted a sample of gastric acid, the digestive juice from St. Martin's stomach for analysis. He also used samples of these stomach acid to digest bits of food in cups. This led to the important discovery that the stomach acids help to digest the food into simple and soluble nutrients that the stomach can use. It was thus realized that digestion is primarily a chemical process, not a mechanical one. The small intestine. The small intestine is not all that small. It is about 6 to 7 meters long. It helps in digestion by using 3 types of secretions. Number 1, secretions from liver. The liver is the largest gland in the human body. It is present slightly below the stomach on the right side. It secretes bile juice that is stored in a bag-like structure called the gallbladder. This bile juice plays an important role in digestion of fats. Number 2, secretions from pancreas. Pancreas is a yellow leaf-shaped gland located just below the stomach. It secretes pancreatic juice. This juice acts on carbohydrates, proteins, and fats and breaks them into simpler forms. Number 3, secretions from the small intestine. The inner wall of the small intestine itself secretes the intestinal juice. This juice digests carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The small
Ma'am, may I
intestine
read?
uses pancreatic and
Ma'am, may I read?
intestinal juice to complete the process of digestion of food in itself. Here, number 1, carbohydrates are digested to simple sugars like glucose. Number 2, proteins are break down into in simpler forms like amino acids. And number 3, fats are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol. Absorption
Absorption of digested food in the small intestine. The inner wall of the small intestine absorbs the digested food It has a large number of finger-like projections called villi. The villi increase the effective surface area for absorption of digested food. This absorbed food is passed to blood vessels present in the villi. The food thus gets transported to all parts of the body via the blood. It is used to produce energy and to build complex substances required by the body. The whole process is called assimilation. The large intestine. Large intestine is wider and shorter than the small intestine. It is about 1.5 meters in length. The undigested and unabsorbed food enters the large intestine. Here, the excess of water and some minerals are absorbed from the digested food. The leftover waste part of food passes to the rectum and is stored there as a facial matter. The feces are eliminated through the anus. This process is called egestion. Activity 3. Tracking the journey of chapati sandwich. We all eat a chapati or a sandwich quite often. Our digestive system breaks down this food into simpler forms. It thus helps it to provide the energy and nutrients our body needs for its maintenance and growth. Use the follow chart given on the next page to trace the journey of chapati and sandwich to show how it goes from just being a food item on your plate to energy for life. Write just 1 2 sentences in the space provided to highlight the role of each of the indicated parts in the eventful journey. Firstly, the food passes into the buccal
Okay.
cavity.
No, no. Okay. हाँ चलो ठीक है.
Ma'am, can I read?
पढ़िए.
Ma'am, Rishabh Raj.
Yes, what do you want? बोलो.
Ma'am, can I read Rishabh Raj?
Yes, 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 you can read. I said yes.
Nutrition in cud chewing herbivorous animals. Cud chewing
No, not
herbivorous
that topic.
animals are
अभी हम वहाँ नहीं पढ़ाए हैं. Not that topic. Stomach से ही पढ़िए.
मैम दैट इज ओवर मैम हो गया मैम पूरा
Okay, then you don't have to go forward. अभी हम लोग discussion वहाँ नहीं किए हैं ना. तो आप लोग अभी first of all, what will you learn today? आज का क्या आपको learn करना है? First, that what are the enzymes and acids secreted in the stomach, in the small intestine, and in the large intestine. Then, what is the secretion of name of liver, pancreas, and the juice secreted process of assimilation and egestion. These all terms you have to learn for today's work, and the overall journey of this digestive system, which is given in the form of flow chart, that you have to complete it in your book. उसको book में अपने own language में करो ताकि आप express कर पाओ what you have studied today. आप अपने short में how you can summarize the digestive system of human beings, but not missing each and every point. जो important इसमें क्या है? सबसे important है कि कौन से organ के द्वारा आपका कौन सा एंजाइम्स का सेक्रेशन हो रहा है, बिकॉज ऑल own value, its own importance in the digestion process. Digestion process में उसका अपना एक importance होता है. ठीक है? Okay. So it's okay for today. और कुछ पूछना है आप लोग को? And especially page number 22 में which of the nutrients get converted into what? Like carbohydrate after digestion get into amino acid and fat gets converted into fatty acid and glycerol. ये आपको जरूर remember. You have to remember. Yes, बोलो. Then what is villi and where it is present? That is also a very important objective question. Villi कहाँ है और वो किस digestive system के किस part में present होता है? That also is very important. These all terms you will learn for today's homework.
Ma'am, chapter 1 and 2 are also coming in annual exam.
I will not tell you the syllabus just now because I am not confirmed. अभी तक हम लोग के पास कोई confirmation नहीं आया. So don't know till now.
चिकन बर्गर
Clear? Okay.
और क्या करना था?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please don't talk in between the class.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Farmers regular medium medium
दो मीडियम करोगे तब ना वो एवरीडे वैल्यू होगा. दो मीडियम करोगी तभी एवरीडे वैल्यू होगा. एवरीडे वैल्यू पे नहीं की हो. एवरीडे वैल्यू
उसमें वो नहीं वैसा नहीं आता.
अरे आता है वो आती होता है.
बस तू थोड़ा ना पूछ रहे. सब फीता केड़ने उन्हें कर देती है ना.
क्या उस दिन बोले थे जो दो पिज्जा वाला मीडियम में उस दिन क्या किए थे कुछ में चिकन किए थे पिज्जा.
अच्छा एवरीडे वैल्यू.
हाँ
तो ठीक है 199 वाला में कर दो.
कभी दिख रहा था.
क्या ये तो ना 199 का मीडियम.
रेगुलर था ना पर.
हाँ ऊपर को रेगुलर आ रहा था. रेगुलर और एक तरफ मीडियम.
वो इधर आज नहीं दिख रहा है. खाली था वो.
अच्छा हाँ तो चलिए.
चीज को
हाँ अरे फार्म हाउस करो. मीडियम है ना. make it a name.